Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to be looking at a new book. I hope you're ready for another week of guided reading. Let's have a look at our reading strategies. You can use any of these strategies to help you with your reading. The ones I want you to focus on are your eagle eye and stretchy snakes. Let's have a go at a stretchy snake all together. Friends. R and S. You have a go for me? Good job, well done. Let's have a go all together one more time. Friends. Friends. Good job, well done. The book we're going to be reading this week is called Why the Lion and the Hare Are Not the Best of Friends. This is what our book looks like on Oxford Owl. We need to go to the contents page and find Why the Lion and the Hare Are Not the Best of Friends, page 57. Why the Lion and the Hare Are Not the Best of Friends, a story from Tibet. The lion was feeling hungry. He looked about and spotted a hare nibbling grass on the other side of the hill. The lion crept slowly through the grass. The hare was munching away at the stalks, and she didn't notice the lion until it was too late. A great hairy paw grabbed her. "Oh!" squealed the hare. "I didn't see you there, lion. What are you doing?" "I think I will probably eat you," growled the lion. "You will find me very small and bony," squeaked the hare. You look like a rather tasty little snack to me," growled the lion. "I know where you can find much bigger meals," said the hare. "I know where you can find an animal as big as you." The lion paused. "As big as me?" "Yes, that would be a very nice snack. It isn't far away either," added the hare. Thought the lion. "All right, show me this place. But if you run off, I will grab you and swallow you down without even chewing." The lion loosened his claws and the hare hopped out of his paw. Then she led him down the hill to the lake, where she had got to the edge. She nodded into the water. "Look," said the hare. "There it is." The lion looked into the water, and what do you think he saw? He saw an animal just his size, and what's more, when he growled, it growled back. When he snarled, it snarled back. And when he roared, it roared back. The lion felt irritated with a rude animal in the lake, so he swiped a paw at it, and it swiped a paw back. That was just too much. In a rage, the lion leapt at his own reflection. Down he splashed into the cold, murky water. That was how the hare escaped, and that is why the lion and the hare are not exactly the best of friends. Now that I've finished reading, go all the way back to the beginning and have a go at reading it yourself. If you're struggling, you can rewind the video and listen to me read it again, or on Oxford Owl they have the play button, where they will read it to you. On this week's guided reading, we are going to be doing another word search. To access the word search, all you need to do is click the link that I will post in your portfolio. When you click the link, it will bring you to this page. You will then need to enter your name and press start. Once that has loaded, you'll need to press start again and find all the words down the side in your word search. Don't forget to send me a picture of your fantastic work.